Mobility Guardian is a large-scale multinational air mobility exercise. It's been mounted here at McCord Air Force Base by Air Mobility Command, and we are participating with the Royal Air Force A400M Atlas. The A400 has been generating a great deal of interest from all the other nations here, especially from the US Air Force operators. We've hosted quite a few of the guys on the flight deck and they think it's fantastic. This exercise represents fantastic training opportunities that we just wouldn't be able to replicate in the UK or in the synthetic environment in the simulator back at Brize Norton. It's an opportunity to exercise with different nationalities, equipment and troops, and get them familiar with the aircraft as well as us becoming familiar with how they operate.
The aeromedical section or portion of this exercise is to simulate the evacuation of up to 300 hospital patients in a humanitarian effort from a displaced area in a war-torn environment. We're doing that by working closely with other countries, other aeromedical teams. We're mixing those teams to understand what qualifications, capabilities and skill sets are required in order to function on various aircraft from other countries.
The massive benefits to this are interoperability in terms of the number of nations we're working with. So on top of the multinational force protection laydown, we're working with airframes from many different nations. But when you bear in mind McCord alone has got about 48 C-17s on top of all the assets that are here, it's a great opportunity to immerse ourselves in aviation security.
For me, Mobility Guardian fulfills two major roles. The first of those is contributing and building the bonds we have with our NATO partners and allies. And the second one, at the tactical level, is enabling our crews to work with those NATO allies to build up a greater understanding of how we can interoperate together. For the RAF, the exercise I think is absolutely fundamental to building our understanding of how we use air mobility in the tactical role. And for the individual squadrons, it gives us the ability to train in an environment that we just don't get in the UK.